In a rapidly evolving digital world, cryptocurrencies emerged as a magical form of currency, residing in the mystical realm of the blockchain. At the heart of this enchanted world was the blockchain, a powerful and decentralized ledger recording transactions with immutability. Countless cryptocurrencies emerged, each with unique abilities: Ethereum's smart contracts, Monero's privacy focus, and Litecoin's lightning-fast transaction speeds. As word of these extraordinary digital currencies spread, kingdoms across the globe began accepting Bitcoin as payment, realizing the potential of these magical coins. Adventurers from all walks of life were drawn to crypto trading, gathering in lively digital marketplaces to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. But with every tale of wonder, challenges arose. The world of cryptocurrencies brought risks, with regulators seeking to understand and navigate its powers, and markets dancing to the tune of unpredictable volatility. Despite the obstacles, cryptocurrencies extended their potential beyond finance, revolutionizing various industries with the blockchain's enchanting abilities. As the story continued to unfold, the future of cryptocurrencies remained unwritten, offering boundless possibilities for innovation and empowerment. Brave souls would explore and shape this mesmerizing realm, uncovering its mysteries and embracing its potential. In this magical world of cryptocurrencies, caution, knowledge, and the spirit of adventure would pave the way for a tale of innovation, empowerment, and endless possibilities, transforming the very fabric of the world as we know it.